In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model and render wormholes. Create a mesh circle. Rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Select these vertices and invert select them. Remove the selected vertices. Move these vertices on the x-axis like this. Apply a screw modifier. More steps will better smooth the mesh. Let's duplicate the wormhole mesh. Let's mirror the first one on the y-axis. The thickness should be 0.005 or less. Apply a black material for the wormhole mesh. Apply an emission material for the wireframe mesh. Activate the bloom. Repeat the process for this wormhole as well. Let's set up the render scene. We'll just use Eevee to render the wormholes. Please go to compositing and turn off use nodes. There is our first wormhole. This is our second wormhole. Create a curve point, and press the 3D button. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an add-on called Add Curve, Extra Objects. Turn off the normal indicator. Extrude the curve point. We need to select the sharp edge point and press V and A to turn it into a smooth edge like this. Add a curve modifier. After selecting the Z-axis, press S to scale and Z for the Z-axis and move your mouse pointer to scale in the Z-axis like this. This time, scale without press Z. There is our third wormhole. This is the end of the wormhole tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.